So let's talk about what exactly I do in my job. I heard someone recently describe me as a motivational speaker. Not quite, not quite. Now, I hope that when we work together and we learn together and grow together, that you will find motivation in that to move forward, make change, and level up. But I'm not just here to make you feel good with warm fuzzies. We're here to work. All right, so what I do is based in professional development. The leadership coaching side is professional development for teams, organizations, staffs at companies, right? The executive coaching side is a one-on-one professional development relationship. That's where we get to dive deep into an individual's growth and learning in their job and in their career path. So I'm here to help teams, organizations, groups, and individuals learn more about themselves so that they can work better together and work better with people in their life they have a relationship with, personal or professional. We talk about everything from goal setting, values evaluations, conflict navigation, personal inventory assessments and personality typologies, diversity, equity, and inclusion, organizational recruitment skills, member or employee satisfaction and retention. A lot of things go into helping a group or an individual level up. That's what I'm here for. So let's work together. Figure out what you need, customize a workshop or a coaching session for your group or for you. You ready? Let's do this.